Welcome to Magna Loop. So this piece I've been wanting to make for years, and it began when I was making a commission piece of work down in the South Oxfordshire in Abingdon, and I was invited to go round the Culham Science Centre and look inside, actually inside the tokamak fusion reactor that they're developing there to help with the joint European Torus effort to solve fusion energy, which is of course huge for us all. But having gone inside the actual toroidal chamber, I could see all of these different magnetic plates, and so I wanted to make a piece in honour of that, and my actual piece in South Oxfordshire was very different, but this was a piece that was seeded in my mind from that time, and so I've created this crescent of unstable magnetism and what looked like loops of plasma on the surface of the sun. You know, we would have seen images of that, I'm sure, of these great big bending loops that are inconceivably huge. And so this flowing flower of magnetism is presented on a golden rectangle, which itself is distorted and bent up towards the attractive centre of magnetism. So here we are, Magna Loop.